A few days ago, I noticed something very interesting. So, I have been doing my meditation, my journaling, all my EFT, Ho'oponopono, all the practices that makes me feel calm, makes me feel more connected to myself. But recently, from some days, while I was doing all my meditation, all the practices, instead of feeling fully calm, I was feeling some kind of restlessness in my body, like from my chest to my belly part. There was some restlessness, some disturbance, and when I try to do my practices, my attention keeps pulling towards this restlessness, towards this disturbance. And I thought, is there any stress that is happening? And I looked at my life, and I saw that there is no any problem that needs my immediate attention for now. Like, I have some fears of future, some stress, and I'm working on the EFT, on the Ho'oponopono for all of this. But this is not the answer. But what is the restlessness that is going on? So today what I did was, while I was doing my meditation, I was like, what is this restlessness, this disturbance telling me? God help me. Mahadev, just give me the answer. Mahadev, give me the answer. What is this restlessness? What is this restlessness? And the answer that came from within me was, what if this is not stress, but what if this is your inner conflict? Look, to be honest, I don't know if the answer is true, because it came, and I believe my intuition very much. So I think that it is the correct answer, and the answer actually makes so much sense to me, because for like so many years I used to feel like I am unworthy, I am not good for anything, I people don't love me, I'm good for nothing. And now I'm trying to put new beliefs in my body. I'm worthy, I love myself, I accept myself, and I started feeling worthy. Like, I started so long from so long this affirmations, these practices, but now I'm trying to feel fully I'm worthy. I'm feeling that yes, I am worthy, I am valuable, I love myself, I accept myself. And there are these two beliefs, that I'm unworthy and I'm worthy. These two are so different, and there is this inner conflict going on inside me. Like, there are two versions of me inside, and one is saying like I'm worthy, and the other is saying, are you sure? One is saying I love myself, and the other is saying, are you sure? Like, this two inner conflicts. Because when the answer came to me today in the morning, I felt, yes, the answer is true, it makes so much of sense to me. There are two different versions of me going on this inner conflict, and the thing is, now I don't need to get afraid. After the answer that I got, I said, oh, thank you so much, Mahadev, that you gave me the answer. But why this conflict is going on? Why is this conflict going on? And I tried to focus more, and the answer that came to me is, I'm not afraid of any failure, or I'm not afraid of anything, or my future, anything. The inner my body is actually afraid of becoming someone new, because I am becoming someone new now. That old version of me used to worry so much, used to feel unworthy, used to cry, used to blame herself, used to blame the whole world. And now I am this version who is so different. So that's the thing, that the my what I would say, my inner body, or my subconscious, my nervous system is afraid. So I thought I should make this video, because maybe you are also feeling this restlessness, this inner conflict, and it is the inner conflict for me. And it can also be that our nervous system is trying to come in the alert mode, because we are healing our nervous system. Our nervous system are used to worry, used to overthink, and suddenly we feel calm, we feel relaxed. So maybe the nervous system also tries to come more in the alert mode. This was something I was learning in my classes, but the answer that came for me was inner conflict. But maybe it's for you, maybe the inner conflict, or maybe your nervous system is trying to become more and more alert, because you are trying to feel more calm, more relaxed. You are trying to make heal your nervous system, you are trying to make your nervous system feel safe. So that also can be the reason. This was, I thought, that was the reason for me at first, when you know I started my meditation today. Maybe I'm learning in my class that nervous system gets more alert when you try to heal more, maybe. But the answer that came to me was inner conflict. So basically both the things are same, like there is inner conflict, like for the two version of yourself. And yes, you don't need to now force yourself. If you feel like this, the restlessness or something going on in your body, you just need to know that don't rush, don't try to change overnight. Just be with both the versions, be with the restlessness, try to give love to the restlessness, try to say that yes, a part of me is feeling uncomfortable because this is something new, and I know you that why you are feeling uncomfortable, because you are not used to it. I give you all the love, I give you all the empathy, but I choose to release this today, and I choose to go forward to my new version, to who I'm trying to become. And instead of saying these affirmations like I love myself, I'm worthy, you can start saying like I'm learning to feel worthy, I'm learning to be more kind to myself, I'm learning to love myself. This now gives our subconscious this feeling that you are learning. Our subconscious and our nervous system don't believe this fully sentence like I'm worthy. You know, till yesterday you used to feel I'm unworthy, and now you say I'm worthy. It's like so much of difference. But when you say I'm learning to feel worthy, there is something your nervous system, thinks that yes, I'm learning. So this small changes in the sentences really works, because in the beginning, when I started affirming, I used to say that I'm learning to love myself, I'm learning to feel worthy, and that worked. And now I affirm like I am worthy because I used to feel worthy. I started feeling worthy from some days, but after feeling worthy from recent some days, this feeling came, this inner conflict came. So that's all what I had to say. I just want to say that if you feel, don't rush, don't try to change overnight. You will not become this version of you that you are trying to become in, and in overnight. You have been trained to become to be in this overthinking, stress, worriness, this unworthiness for so long. So it will take a little time for you to overcome that that version of you. But you just need to know that you are not failing, you are just growing beyond someone that you used to be. And this restlessness is the proof that you are growing, that you are expanding, you are living your old version. So that's all for today, my girls. I love you all. Let's grow together, and yeah, bye bye.